Traces of your world hunt me down inside. I should run and go, I should run and hide, but I'm stuck on you. You make me feel like a fire. You make me feel like a kid. You make me feel like each other.
Okay, now to do Aquarius is even easier than the Scorpio. You want to take your hair. You want to take a good portion of it. If you got fine hair, you probably want to go all the way back to your ear. But if you got denser hair or thicker hair, then you could just, you know, take as much as you need. I'm probably not even going to keep all of this, but there we go. Now you take this, and starting in the corner, you want to do like an inverted braid. You want to try to keep the hair close to your forehead because this is going to be like a braid bang. Okay.
I don't wanna go, I don't wanna wait. I'm needing you. We shouldn't speak of this magic. We should just say what they know. I've heard a rumor of humans who sniff out the good things to suck out the soul. I wanna tell you how I feel tonight.
Okay, so you see, that's cute. That's even cuter than I did it before. So for all the little pieces, you just tuck them away. Go ahead and braid to the end or near to the end. Take a bobby pin and bobby pin this up behind your hair. You know, behind your hair back there. And there you go. That's adorable. Hallelujah. Oh, that looked like a one of those victory rolls that the people used to wear back in the day. But it's not. I mean, it doesn't look like a victory roll, but it has the essence of that, of the shape, you know. Anyway, let me just give you all a
traces of your world hunt me down inside. I should run and go, I should run and hide, but I'm stuck on you. You make me feel like a fire. You make me feel like a kid. You make me feel like each other. 5 galaxies swirling in Stefan's quintet. I wanna tell you how I feel tonight. I keep trying, but the words ain't right. Nothing's fitting for a kind like you. I'm never speechless when the earth's my fuel. Killing the time